Today we show you how to insert or replace the battery of your Selina Little hygrometer. For this you need your Selina Little paperclip and the new CR2016 battery. You just turn around your Selina Little and you take the paperclip. You use the paperclip to open the battery cover and you can just simply remove it. Again, with the paperclip you just go underneath the battery and you use the paperclip to remove the old battery. You take the new battery and you make sure to go below the two metal pins on the left side. You just gently push the battery in and it will hold in place by itself. That's almost the end of the exchange. You just take your battery cover. You can either close it with the paperclip or with your fingers, and voila, your Selina Little is working again. That's all you need to know. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, and if you like to see more videos like this, just subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye bye.